So in 1973, the emblem of the festival was a torch. And much like the Olympic torch, it's passed from one festival to another. And this year, celebrating 50 years since the first Upper Springfield Festival, that torch was passed on to Féile, gCloigíní, Gorma. And I'm sure that the people who were involved in the 1973 festival would be smiling down on the organisers of this one.
What happened over that period of the festival, just to watch it, but also for us to be part of it, for new script activists to be part of it, was really incredible. It's difficult to describe, I think, but what you're tapping into, I think the values of the festival, community well-being, solidarity, the togetherness. I think more than anything, we're all wanting to have these conversations around mental health because we know what's there isn't working, and we're in a permanent crisis around mental health. And I think what the festival did so well was just move away from coming at it through that lens of a kind of medical response to if people need support or people are going through tough times, which everybody does, and particularly in a community like this. What people know intuitively is what's needed is bringing people together. So connection, community connection and solidarity, because it's the thing that has got people in this community through so much, absolutely so much over the decades.
Die seconds ar an orbert ó an nuirí go dtí féile na bliana nes sé omlan dácréiste cé go mór agus cé go santasach agus bhí na forbartrí sin.
Agus mé láthair ag an mórthail a bhí agatse, bhí cumanú clás scéalan, bhí cluinne bhail í mhórthaíon, bhí an drám dearagan, bhí an orid sin de éagslacht a láthair ag an craich nó an mórthail sin fásta, agus bhí sin códeas le feiceáil agus ma dhéanann tú nascú idir na téime leige dhéanann Féile gCloigíní Gorma Tigerstráif. Strachas mór bhaine tá ahan duine a bhró buinteach leis nela híos leis na feibhena sin, híos leis na ceistena sin, agus is bailach sort idir gríomhach é sin chun é a chur ina lei.
Féile gCloigíní Gorma.